Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear doctor and dear vascular colleagues. There is some phenomena which is very strange in artificial intelligence. It is called hallucination. Hallucination is when you ask a simple, straightforward question and you get extremely hallucinating answer. It shouldn't be more than 1%. And this is one of the withdrawbacks of artificial intelligence, hallucination and the hallucination ratio. I'm sure anyone who is using artificial intelligence every day have faced this problem when you ask a straightforward question and you get a hallucinating answer. Maybe when you repeat the question, this does not happen. From the programming point of view, it is extremely difficult problem to solve. And if artificial intelligence have hallucination, what do you rely on? Which information will prevent this from happening? Especially when you are taking decision like driving car, like Tesla car, or you are driving a doctor or artificial intelligence inside hospital or in diagnosis. So we hope that this hallucination problem disappear and it will be solved because there is a trial now in China to build a complete hospital based on artificial intelligence. Doctors are AI, nurses are AI with robotics. So combination of AI and robotics can make a fantastic hospital, but the problem will be in hallucination. Maybe recheck system, maybe using 2 or 3 AI to check on each other, but which one will have the priority if every one of them have a hallucination? So it is a problem. I'm sure it will be solved and I wish you all the best. My name is Dr. Muhammad Amal Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon.